Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to be making the fluffiest homemade waffles. So these are the ingredients you're gonna need. I'm going to put everything in the description box below. So let's get started. So firstly, we're going to mix our wet ingredients. So crack 2 eggs into a bowl. Then you go in with your sugar. Now you're going to mix this until everything is well combined. Okay, mix them until they're nice and smooth. So if you have a hand mixer, that would be the best, but if you don't, just use your hands and a spatula and mix this until nice and smooth. Okay, so when you're done mixing, next thing is to go in with your vegetable oil or your melted butter, and then you go in with your milk. You also go in with your vanilla extract, and then we're going to mix this together until thoroughly combined. Okay, so now we're just going to introduce our dry ingredients. I'm going in with the flour, baking powder, salt, and now we're just going to mix this together. Okay, just combine everything together. So the best advice is to combine but not to overmix. Okay, while mixing, do not overmix it. All right, so that's the way it should look. So when you're done mixing, it's now time to bring out our waffle iron. So firstly, you're going to grease the waffle iron. All right, and now depending on the size of your waffle iron, you use about half cup or 1 cup of the batter. So just spread it out little and then you close it up and let the waffles cook. Okay, so most waffles, or should I say waffle iron, take around 3 to 5 minutes, but check the instructions on yours, okay, just to be sure. So now after 5 minutes, I came back to it and the green light is showing that it's ready, and when I opened it, it was ready. So I'm gonna bring this out, place it in a bowl, and then I'm just going to go ahead and do the same to all the batter. So now I finished with all of it. Now look at that. That's very beautiful, golden brown. They're crispy on the outside and fluffy on the inside. So now it's time for the fun part, toppings. So you can top this up with whatever you like. All right, so you can use fresh strawberries, blueberries, grapes, and you can even use whipped cream, chocolate chips, and some nuts for extra crunch. All right, so look at that, so beautiful. So these waffles are so good, they're so fluffy and crispy, and the perfect start to your day. I hope you guys enjoyed this, and I also hope you try it out and let me know how it goes. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.